Chidebere wants to do his own practical lesson. So Chidebere, let's see how you are going about it. You click on create, yes. Okay. Go to event, sound, the meal sound. Okay. Okay. You want to change the background, okay. Wow, that's a nice one. Okay. Wow, that's nice.